stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before opportunity to create your own self-hosted and fully automated PLR site packed with 22,000-plus red-hot PLR products, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you too are willing to profit from the hottest and widely untapped world of selling info-packed PLR products to hungry audiences, without creating a single website yourself, without paying huge every month for hosting and domain, without any coding and designing skills, and without chasing freelancers who don't give results even after full settlement, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting PLR Hub, a brand new one-click PLR site creator that comes with 22,000 plus ready-to-sell PLR products without any coding or designing skills at an unbeatable low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, publish site. Number 3, sell and profit. And that's it. You're all set to say goodbye to outdated make-money online techniques and create a passive income source for months and years to come. PLR Hub comes loaded with tons of benefits like create stunning, fully automated PLR site with 22,000 ready-to-sell products with your own name and brand to sell them anywhere. Create stunning PLR sites without any prior coding or design skills. Profit instantly by selling 22,000 plus PLR products under your brand name to hungry audience. Offer these PLR products as free lead grab or premium membership and collect payments. Never worry for hosting as you get limitless hosting at no extra cost. Start your own agency and provide ready-to-use products to widely scattered audiences. Add your payment links to convert visitors into lifetime paid members. Unlimited commercial license included to provide red-hot services to hungry clients and bank in big. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy. Use PLR Hub to profit instantly by creating stunning PLR websites like In Digital Works, Buy Quality PLR, PLR Minds, ID PLR, Super Resell, PLR Madness, etc. for yourself and your clients with no prior skills ever. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then PLR Hub is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We are confident that this much value's never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. PLR Hub will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get PLR Hub for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.